Okay, I welcome you all back to our integrated science class. Today is going to be the fourth session. In the previous sessions, we've been looking at some practical questions. We've gone through the first 8 questions. And the next set of questions we're going to look at first under preparation of gases. And so I've loaded some important information which is needed to help you in answering questions on preparation of gases onto the WhatsApp page. I entreat all of you to go to the page and then download those informations. It will help you in answering questions under this aspect of practical work, that is preparation of gases. And for information, preparation of gases is one of the important aspects of core chemistry practicals. So please make sure you take a critical look at whatever you are going to do under preparation of gases. Now, before we start looking at actual questions, there are some key informations you are supposed to take note of. So under preparation of gases, we are going to look at some gases, the gases you are supposed to take note of. So you have hydrogen gas, we have oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, we have carbon dioxide gas, we have ammonia gas, we have chlorine gas, we have hydrogen chloride gas, and we have nitrogen gas. Okay, so for core science, these are the gases you are supposed to take note of. But those who in elective chemistry, you are supposed to look at hydrogen sulfide gas, and then also nitrogen dioxide gas, and then that's it, sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, so for core class, we are looking at the first 7 gases. And as I said, those doing elective chemistry, you are supposed to also look at the last three in addition to the first seven. Okay. And so for each of these gases, you are supposed to look at preparation. So how each of these gases is prepared in the laboratory. You're also supposed to look at the properties of each of the gases, the uses, and then the laboratory test for each of the gases. So these are the important informations you're supposed to note for each gas. So when it comes to, for instance, hydrogen gas, you should know how hydrogen gas is prepared in the lab. The preparation involves the setup, and then the properties, the uses, so how the gas is used, and then how you test for the gas in the laboratory. And this information is what have been loaded onto the WhatsApp page. As I said, you all have to make sure you download the information there and go through them. So you have the information there. When you take hydrogen, you see the preparation, how it is prepared in the lab, the properties of hydrogen gas, the uses of hydrogen gas, how hydrogen gas is tested in the lab. When you take oxygen too, you have the setup for the preparation, the properties, the uses, and the tests. Okay, so all those informations I've loaded them onto your WhatsApp page. Okay. Now, I want to explain some few things when it comes to the setup for preparation. There are some few things you are supposed to know. So I'm going to put a diagram on the board to explain some few things.